Hi everyone, what I'm about to go ahead and unbox, as you can see, is my very first Van Cleef and Arpels jewelry item. I am super excited about this, super excited to show it to you and then unbox it with you. Here you go. The receipt is first, as you can see. So excited. This is an item I've researched, studied for several years. Here in Hawaii, you only have one place that you can purchase it. It is in the Neiman Marcus store at Moana Center. It's kind of tucked away near their coffee shop area and sunglasses on the main entrance on that floor. So here you go. When I walked in, and mind you, I went several times to look at this item. The sales associates there were so wonderful and so helpful and nice, very welcoming, and that I appreciate, especially when all I pretty much wear is either beach clothes or workout clothes. So here goes the unboxing. Again, my very first Van Cleef and Arpels, and I do hope I am saying it correctly, and I apologize if not. It's an item that I thought would be perfect for me. It could be part of a stacking on my wrists, obviously, because you did see what it is. Here we go, and that's how I looked at it. I thought about getting the basic that everybody normally gets, and that would be, as you can see, drum roll, as I open it. So again, I thought about possibly getting the basic that everybody normally gets, which is the mother of pearl, but I decided on the gold. I was super excited about it. I'm like, because then I can just mesh it in with everything, gold and silver, or just put it on with the love bracelet, or just wear it on my other wrist by itself. Who knows? But again, my first ever Van Cleef and Arpels alhambra gold bracelet. Please enjoy the rest of this unboxing, because I know I am enjoying the idea of having it and being able to wear it. Thank you.